So I just discovered a no experience needed part-time weekends only work from home job processing orders. I'm also throwing in a couple beginner friendly full-time remote jobs, and it looks like one of them will provide equipment. So if that's what you're looking for, stay tuned for them. Enough dilly-dallying, let's get into the part-time job. And it comes to us from Trident Care. This job is for a customer service representative. We can see on this job description it's part-time Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. And this is a brand new job. It was just posted today. I did not see it this morning, so it must have just come up this afternoon. And this is your typical customer service order processing position, where you'll process customer orders by telephone and ensuring all customer requests are handled in a prompt, efficient, courteous, and professional manner, while being the primary point of contact with the customer, making a concerted effort to listen to the customer's needs and provide them with a positive experience. So within your first 4 months on this job, you'll take about 110 customer interactions per your 8-hour shift. This includes incoming and outgoing calls, providing prompt, accurate, and courteous responses to customers, solving routine and complex problems, documenting activity to the DDF system, consistently checking appropriate DDF screens for report results to call back to customer, and entering orders manually via the fax process. So you need to be able to work independently and as a team. You're able to work in a call center environment. And look here, they tell us they'll train you in this position. You're comfortable using computers. You can type 35 to 40 words per minute. They prefer, but they don't require. They prefer you have medical terminology, experience, or knowledge. You need a high school diploma or equivalent. You have a high-speed internet connection. And then you need all your typical soft skills. And as far as the salary, going back up this job description, they tell us right here they'll pay you $14.50 per hour. Now I get it, that is on the low end, especially if you live in the more expensive to live areas, but this job is not requiring related work experience. It's part-time weekends only. So going into the full-time work from home jobs, the first one I have is with a company called Fellers. This job is for a customer service representative. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States, and it's your typical customer service position where you'll be responsible for answering customer service inquiries. And in this position, they want you to have about 1 year experience in a customer service role. You have customer service and active listening skills, excellent communication skills. You're able to prioritize your work and manage your time effectively. You have basic computer skills, a high school diploma, a passion for customer advocacy, and you're proficient with Microsoft Office products. And they tell us you need a quiet professional workspace free from noise. You have a high-speed internet connection, and you have a chair and a flat surface or desk to work from. So I'm thinking they're going to give you all the equipment you need for this job because they're not listing any specific computer requirements. And as far as the salary, they tell us right here on the job description they'll pay you $15 to $17 per hour. So the last job I have for you today is with ZocDoc. So what we're going to do is land on their careers page, and we're going to sort by department, and we're going to select customer experience. The job I'm sharing is the provider experience specialist. So they have quite a few openings in specific cities. So just scroll through these and see if your city is indicated. If so, just click on that job description. So I'm just going to randomly select one of these. Let's take a look at the one for Portland. They tell us it is full-time remote, but you do need to live in Portland for this particular one. So in this customer service-based position, you'll provide best-in-class customer service experiences to the company's healthcare provider partners through calls, emails, and chat, proactively upselling features and making it easy for customers to utilize ZocDoc services effectively. You'll seek opportunities to make using ZocDoc easy for providers, act as the voice of ZocDoc, treating each interaction as a chance to create lasting positive impressions, develop a deep understanding of ZocDoc's platforms and services while maintaining accurate records of all interactions, ensuring that the company's commitment to making healthcare easy is consistently upheld regardless of the communication method. And in this job, you need excellent communication and interpersonal skills. You have customer service experience, preferably in a healthcare or technology-related field. You have strong problem-solving abilities, exceptional organizational skills, and attention to detail. And you have a dedication to delivering best-in-class customer service and promoting ZocDoc's mission. And they tell us on this job description they'll pay you $21 to $26 per hour. They offer a really nice suite of benefits, including cell phone reimbursement. So there you go. We have 3 beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs. One of them is part-time weekends only, and 2 full-time opportunities. Hopefully one of these jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for an overnight tech support position, check out this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.